Hi, I'm Todd Dow, and in this video I'm going to share with you a sales funnel that's made $13,000. As you can see on the screen, here is the funnel that I created and the amount that I made, how much I'm earning per click to this website. So stay tuned as I break down step by step how you can actually duplicate my success. There's no doubt that there is a sales psychology behind creating these types of funnels, and you definitely have to have a few key things in place in order for you to succeed with building funnels like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over to my computer where I'm going to share with you in great detail exactly how I built out this funnel and just some of the things that I think about when I start building out these types of funnels. Hey folks, I just wanted to hop on in here and share with you guys the strategy. I'm going to real quickly show you the results. I'm earning $15.12 per click, and then also an additional, obviously I'm making $13,605 from this particular funnel. Now I have multiple funnels that continue to make me profits every single year. This is just one of them. I just wanted to show you the year-by-year comparison for this. This is 13,000 from one funnel that I built, and so you have to look at this like, hey, how many of these types of funnels would you build in order to make the amount of money that you're looking to make? And in terms of spending money on these types of funnels, I really don't spend a whole lot of money on this. I maybe spent $2,000 in ads. The rest is leveraged traffic that came to this funnel, which I'm going to talk about here in a second. But I just wanted to show you real quick in doing some testing, and also keep note that a lot of the money that I make from this funnel is made on the back end through this application process that I have. And so like if I go through this discount here, I found that testing the one-time payment versus the discount, I added a little piece to this funnel which made it perform a whole lot better. But as you can see, this made 10 sales at 3.69%. Made 10 sales from that. That's $7,970 from that particular part of the funnel. And also in testing a 1.71% at $598. And then also made 2 sales here, totaling $2,497. So I found out that obviously I'm earning way more per click with this lower ticket item versus this higher ticket item. So I eventually went on into pioneering this funnel in a later time frame. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go over on a whiteboard exactly how I've done this. So I've gone to this whiteboard here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw that out. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so you understand. So if I'm talking quickly, then all you got to do is you rewind this video and listen to it again. So here we go. Here's the first part of the funnel, and what I did was I actually went and I found an affiliate platform or affiliate tool. I'm just going to put this AFF for short for affiliate, but it was an affiliate tool. So with this tool, actually it's not an affiliate tool, but it's a tool that has an affiliate program attached to it. And so with your program or whatever you get ready to develop, make sure that you find something that you can make money off of, but also is an asset to the person or the people you're getting ready to teach, to their business. Okay, so make sure it's an asset to their business. I found a tool that these individuals needed in order to proceed with my training, and even if they didn't go with my training, they still needed this tool. So I found that, and what I did was I created a one-page website page right here that specifically went over, it was like a tutorial base. So what I did was I led them down the path of using the tool, and I told them, look, get the link right below, click the link right below the video, and go ahead and get the tool set up. It's a 14-day free trial. And then what I'm going to do is once you submit all your information on that page, I'm going to forward you over to my members area. Okay, and so what I did was I attached that page on over to a another page. But I'm gonna get back to this page in a second. Just to let you know, like this on the front end, I'm getting 200% in the beginning, right? 200% commissions on this affiliate tool. So whenever people purchase this affiliate tool for their business, it actually was it was actually they were paying me 200%. Okay, and so another thing is with this video and what I did, how I structured it. If you have any type of case study results from you, from students, from anyone, then what you're going to do is you're going to structure this video showing those results and giving them a reason why they need to follow their trainings, follow the trainings that you're giving them in order to get the results that they're looking for, and what they see in front of them, right, as far as the case study. So like if you haven't created a case study already, I highly suggest you create a case study, use that case study, and then show the results of that case study, whatever it is, whatever niche that you're in. Results could be bigger biceps for people who are in the fitness niche, or whatever that is. Go through that case study, or and share those results on this page, and then that gives them a reason to go ahead and purchase the tool that you need them to purchase in order to follow your trainings. And so I went on over, going on over to this page right here. What I did was I created a one-time offer, otherwise known as an OTO. This was actually a discount on my full course. Now they're already getting, just by purchasing this affiliate tool, they're already getting a members area full of tutorials walking through step by step for training, but it's not the full version of my training. In order to get the full version of my training, they need to purchase and get inside my course. And so what I did was on this page, I give them a 60% off discount. 60% off discount on my full course. They get everything that's included in the full course for 60% off. All right. And so I ended up, and what I figured out is out of all the people who visit this page, 3% of those people actually bought this OTO, and the price point was $797. All right. 3% bought this OTO, and it was nothing more than just a webinar replay with the timer, and then obviously the buy button right below that. And in addition to that, I put a link that says no thank you. I don't want 60% off on this on your members area. I just want to get set. We just want my free tutorial videos. And so either way, they will be sent over to another page in my funnel. Okay, if they purchase the product, boom, they'll go through that process and they'll get sent to the members area, and they'll have the full version of the training plus the free training that I promised them on the front end. If they don't, then they're going to get also sent over here. If they click the link on this page and get sent over here, they're going to have access to this Facebook group. All right, and I'm just going to put FBG, and in this Facebook group, and on this page, I tell them, look, go to the Facebook group by clicking the link below, request to join it, I'll approve you, and visit the pinned post at the top of that group. And inside of the pinned post at the top of that group is all the directions on what they need to do to get inside the members area to go ahead and access the free training that I was going to give them for going through this funnel. So they go through that process there, and again, what I'm doing throughout this entire process is I'm tracking all of the results on each one of these pages. And I install pixels, Facebook ads pixels, on every one of these pages so that I'm tracking and building an audience every step of this funnel. So if they took an action here, boom, I got everybody who landed on this page. Then I can also differentiate who bought this OTO and who didn't. And the people who didn't buy this OTO, I can then retarget them on Facebook with a webinar that sells them on the full course, on the full price of the course. Okay, and so that's how I'm making money on the front end of this entire funnel. But what I didn't tell you is that inside the members area, not only do I have a link registering for the same webinar that I'm retargeting people who didn't buy the OTO, but I'm also sending, I have an application button also in there, and then I have an application a retargeting ad that I'm using. Okay, I'm just gonna put app here, and this serves as another funnel, an application to fill out to work with me one-on-one, because most people want one-on-one, or they want some done for you type of work done for them. And so what I do is I have a sales team. All right, and I'm just going to draw little circles here. Let's say this is my sales team, and my sales team is going to take these applications, they're going to call up the leads, and then they're going to sell them on my packages that I have, which is 5K, and this is where the real money's made on the back end. Like this other stuff, like all this here, is just money to fund and to fuel this bad boy, but the real money's made on the back end. So real quickly, 10K package here, and then I also have a 25K package here. I don't really sell too many of the 25K packages, but I do sell a heck of a lot of these 10K packages. And so that's what I have here with my funnel. Application process, boom, sales team closes the call, boom, they book the appointments and set up everything for me, and I just go ahead and teach some of these one-on-one group coaching. Okay, so a lot of this is like one-on-one group coaching, and then one-on-one group coaching, but then we have like the one-on-one consultation, then the done for you stuff here. But what I've also been able to do, and this is like this is a way to make your funnel basically put it on steroids, is I actually created an affiliate aspect, because what I know, and you know, by developing your own program, these people are going to get results. And so they're going to want to naturally tell people about your program. And so what I did was I created an affiliate program here to where they get 50% commissions on every one of the products in this funnel. All right, 50% commissions on every one of these products on the inside the funnel. So they're referring people into my funnel, and I'm not paying anything whatsoever for these people to be sent to my funnel. I'm earning commissions, and they're also getting 50% commissions all through this funnel, except for the affiliate tools. And you know they're happy because look, I'm giving them additional stream of income on top of what they're already making inside my program. And whatever they're learning or whatever transformation I'm giving them through this process, they're also earning commissions on top of that. I'm getting new referrals that I otherwise wouldn't have been able to influence to purchase these products. And this, my friends, is your funnel, a high-ticket funnel on steroids. And this is literally how I create hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is actually how I made my first million, by learning this process. And the only way I've learned this was by going through other people's funnels and understanding why they put certain things in place. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to continue to make more advanced videos like this and go into even more detail, then definitely go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave a comment down below, and also give me a thumbs up on this video for giving you this value that I've given you today. You guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.